Hey everybody, this is Dave from Davidsfinegeckos. Doing a quick video here tonight. Just about to go to sleep and my wheeleri's are out roaming around. So I decided to just show you guys a couple of my female wheeleris here. These guys are very prehistoric looking. These are a species from Australia. They're in the family of knobtail geckos. Their Latin name is Nephrurus wheeleri. There's a few different types of knobtails. If you don't know already, there's just to name a couple. There's Nephrurus levis, Nephrurus wheeleri, ames. I hope I pronounced them right. They all look really, really cool. Definitely different than a leopard gecko. Threw a bunch of mealworms in there for them. They usually like to eat with the lights off, but I'm hoping to... Well, that one looks like it might grab that worm there. I'm hoping that you guys can see how they eat. Nailed it. I've never seen them use a water bowl for drinking, so a couple times a day I just missed the cage, and they usually lick the water either off themselves or the glass. Alright guys, hope this wasn't a real boring one for you, but I'm just kind of just watching them and enjoying them, and figured I could videotape some of it. As you can see, they're not very active. Alright guys, take care. Thanks for watching.